Women are really interested in charismatic men. It's really not the way they smile, or it's not even about their looks. Do you know the real reason why? It's their ability to radiate confidence and energy. A charismatic man is known and wanted by most women. It all comes down to his character. There are particularly a few traits that charismatic men have in common that makes women want such men as their life partners. This video is really gonna be amazing because women find these subtle little things really very attractive. What I am about to reveal today is completely gonna be related to conversation with women. If you haven't subscribed yet, do click the subscribe button below. So let's get started. Number 1, they have got good listening skills. This trait is really gonna make others value you. The way you listen to others is really very important. If you don't show signs of interest for what others are speaking, how are they gonna value you when you are saying something? The way you listen to others is really very important. There are 3 key points to be noted while listening to others to make them understand that you are genuinely interested in listening to what they are saying. A charismatic man can naturally do that. Number 1, to watch them in their eyes while they are speaking. Eye contact is really important because it presents genuine interest that you have got for what they are saying. The second thing is to just nod your head. If you've got the point that they have just spoken, this makes others know if you understood the point clearly. The final thing is really a big one, asking questions back related to what they have just said. This means you have clearly listened to others and you want to know something more. You can apply this in your education or during an interview process. Women want such men because women want someone to be genuinely interested in what they say. Number 2, calling people by their names. Did you ever notice high quality men? They greet others by their names, even it being the first time they meet them. They even end a speech with others just by taking their name. This means they have got good respect for others and they took real effort in remembering their names. Women love such men. This is really a great communication trait to be followed. You can do this in first meeting with women or during public gatherings. This makes others to subconsciously like you. That's it for today's video, guys. With that being said, thank you for watching.